Okay, the next is the development of machine translation in 210, facing the big data challenge. So in this era, the machine translation is facing some challenges because of the big data that always develop year by year. And then this development is noted by some point. The first is Haiti earthquake and machine translation. In 2010, after the devastating Haiti earthquake, Google and Microsoft developed a machine translation or MT engine specifically for translating Haitian Creole. And then IBM's Influent and SDL's acquisition. IBM introduced a translation technology known as Influent. This technology likely contributed to improving the efficiency and accuracy of translation process. And then SDL, a major player in the translation industry, acquired Language Weaver. This acquisition allowed SDL to enhance its translation capabilities by adding machine translation as a complementary tool to their existing Titis translation memory system. And then the third is the wider adoption of machine translation in the 2010s saw a trend in the broader adoption of machine translation. Many other companies that provided computer-assisted translation or CAT tools and translation management system recognized the potential of MT and started integrating MT engines into their platforms. This integration aimed to provide users with more powerful and versatile translation tools. Next. And then the fourth is DARPA's initiatives. The establishment of DARPA's Broad Operational Language Translation, or BOLT, and Deep Exploration and Filtering, or DEFT, programs signaled a strategic effort to address challenges related to language diversity and the handling of social media content. These programs aim to advance the state of machine translation and language processing for a wide range of languages and content types. And then the fifth is the cultural exchange and research. The mention of the blending of cultures signifies the increase in globalization and cultural exchange spurred more rigorous research in the field of computer-assisted human translation. Researchers and professionals in the industry recognize the need to adapt and improve translation technologies to meet the demands of an increasingly interconnected world. And then the sixth, the data growth and specialization. The amount or quantity of data for statistical machine translation, or SMT, and translation memory systems started to grow exponentially. This was due to the increasing availability of multilingual content on the internet. Researchers began to focus on specialized domain-specific subsets of data to enhance the quality of translations. Specialization ensured that translation were more accurate and contextually relevant, especially in technical or specialized fields. And then the last, the advance or enhance in interoperability and ROI focus. The translation tools begin to work more seamlessly together, allowing data to flow between them more easily. Additionally, there was an increased emphasis in return of investment, or ROI, ensuring that translation technologies provided tangible benefits. Next. And then in the future, the development of machine translation in the future, the translation technology faces challenges due to exponential growth in data, increasing access to computer communication devices, language changes, and social media usage. Research in ongoing to improve translation process standards are being developed, and international cooperation is growing. Next. And then the researchers and practitioners are just beginning to tackle these challenges in the future. So it is such as maybe the prediction of the researchers and practitioners in the future. The first is the development of automated evaluation for new translation, and then the study of the translation process, combination of translation machine and terminology management in a more integrated fashion, and then provision of more accurate indicators and or assessments of translator proficiency, systematic coverage of large numbers of new language pairs, and then the next challenges are means of increasing translation accuracy and efficiency, resolution of issues related to privacy, and then addressing the rapidly changing field of social media, and provision of improved speech translation, and then education of the US public on the need for and processes of human and machine translation. So those are the challenges that will be tackled by the researchers and practitioners in the future. Okay. That's all from me. Saya kembalikan kepada Zainuddin Ziddan.
That's all from our groups. Thanks for your attention. And then, as I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.